This is a YouTube questions tag site. It's where I got the 100 questions from. They're all really bad, and I could have sworn one of them was
Valentine's Day themed.
or at least just like romance questions. It's like the mini boyfriend tag. That's technically one of them. But we're gonna play a game of this or that, and I want to edit together really quickly.
Okay.
So I want you to answer as quickly as possible. I have 100. I have 100.
What if I don't prefer either of the things that
You're gonna have to.
Okay.
It's just that just seems to be alright. So coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Black and white or color?
What? Color.
Drawings or paintings?
Drawing.
Dresses or skirts?
Dresses.
Books or movies?
Books.
Pepsi or Coke?
Coke.
Definitely. Chinese or Italian?
Italian.
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Introvert or extrovert?
Introvert.
Hugs or kisses?
Kisses.
It sounds like you don't like either of them. Hunting or fishing? Death or death.
I guess hunting.
Oh.
I've never been hunting before though.
Winter or summer?
Summer.
Spring or fall?
Spring.
Rural or urban?
Rural.
Sweet pickles or dill pickles?
Dill pickles. But it's gotta be like the really like the big pickles that you get at the
Like a-
yeah.
A
Like
true
the boar's
girl.
head.
Comedy or mystery?
Comedy.
Boots or sandals?
Boots.
Silver or gold?
Silver.
Jazz or classical?
Classic.
Dancing or singing?
Dancing.
Checkers or chess?
Checkers.
Board games or video games?
Video games.
Wine or beer?
Wine.
Freckles or dimples?
Freckles.
Honey mustard, barbecue?
Honey mustard.
Body weight exercises or lifting weights?
Body weight exercises? If that's running on the treadmill for 20 minutes on the lowest setting, then yes.
Baseball or basketball?
Basket. I feel like I'd get kicked out of ECU.
I can't remember, did we get through facial hair or clean shaven?
Clean shave. Answer the question, we're on the next one.
Alright, crush dice or cube dice?
Crush dice!
Skiing or snowboarding? Winter Olympics?
Skiing!
Smile or game face?
Miles.
Bracelet or necklace?
Necklace.
Fruit or vegetable?
Fruits.
Sausage or bacon?
Bacon.
Scrambled or fried popcorn?
What? No. I like fried eggs.
Dark chocolate or white chocolate?
Dark chocolate.
Tattoos or piercings?
Tattoos.
Antique or brand new?
Antiques.
Dress up or dress down?
Dress up.
Cowboys or alien?
Alien.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Pancakes or waffles? Bond or born?
Bond.
Sci-fi or fantasy?
Fantasy.
Numbers or letters?
Letters.
Star Wars?
Star Trek. Star Trek.
Fair or theme park?
Fairs are kind of scary.
Money or fame?
Money.
Washing dishes or doing laundry?
Washing dishes.
Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice.
Sunrise, sunset.
Sunsets.
Slacker or overachiever?
Overachiever.
Pen or pencil?
Pen.
Peanut butter? Jelly?
Peanut butter.
Grammys or Oscars?
Just do either.
Detailed or abstract?
Detailed.
Multiple choice or essay questions?
Multiple choice.
Adventurous or cautious?
Cautious.
Oh, saver or spender?
Saver.
Glasses or contacts?
I don't have to wear either, but I think people who wear glasses are cute.
Laptop or desktop?
Laptop.
Classic or modern?
Classic.
Personal chef or personal fitness trainer?
Personal chef.
Internet or cell phone? Like you have to
Internet.
choose. Like you don't have to choose though. Call or text?
Text.
Curly or straight hair?
Curly.
Shower in the morning? Shower in the evening?
I don't know.
Spicy or mild?
Spicy.
Marvel or DC?
Marvel.
Paying a mortgage or paying rent?
Paying rent.
Skydive or bungee jump?
Skydive.
Oreos or Chips Ahoy?
Oreos.
Jello or pudding?
Pudding.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Roller coaster? Ferris wheel?
Roller coaster.
Leather or denim?
Leather.
Stripes or solid?
Stripes.
Bagels or muffins?
Bagels.
Whole wheat or white?
Whole wheat.
Beads or pearls?
Beads.
Hardwood or carpet?
Carpet.
Bright colors or neutral tones?
White colors.
Be older than you are or younger than you are?
Older than I are.
That's
What was
good.
that question supposed to mean?
Raisins or nuts?
Nuts.
Picnic or nice restaurant?
Nice restaurant. I don't think that's really a question.
Black leather or brown leather?
Brown leather.
Long hair or short hair?
Think about that one for a second.
Ready, aim, fire or ready, fire, aim?
What? The first
That one doesn't make any sense.
Ready.
Fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking.
Think before you talk or talk before you think?
Think before you talk.
Asking questions or answering?
Asking all them questions.
Hey, you answered 100 little questions there.
Do you feel like you know me more?
A little bit, but not really because most of them are like utterly meaningless. So anyways, as I sit here with a fabulous view of Mikey Crotch right here on the inside.
Yeah.
Wow! Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button, share it, subscribe for more.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, that it is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, Bonus Ben here. Trying to focus. I have to pull manual focus on my nice camera here, but it looks all crisp. You get depth of field on this shot of my ceiling. As you can see, I have some of these sticky toys. They came with a like big popcorn tin my mom got me, and Mikey and I threw them up here in December. So here they are.
It's February.
Yes, it is February.